Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to check your Roblox gift card balance or how to redeem your gift card after checking your balance. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to open any browser and you need to type Roblox gift card balance, or you will see this kind of options. You need to click on first one result, Roblox gift card, and when you visit on this link, like when you open this link in your window, there is a location like this kind of options. You can click on redeem card, and once you click on redeem card, you need to enter your card details, and the card details is printed on the back side of your card. And once you enter your code, which is printed on card, or if you have any digital card, then the code is available in your email. Okay, and once you enter your email, you can say like code, and once you click on check this, and when you click on redeem, you will see this kind of options. Okay, over here you can see there, if it will show you the available credits, and you can buy or you can get premium. You can do anything with your credits. Okay, so by using this way you can easily redeem and easily check your Roblox gift card balance. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.